Inflammation is often the hidden culprit behind many health issues, including thyroid disorders, autoimmune conditions, chronic fatigue, digestive problems, and persistent body pain. These symptoms are your body's way of signaling underlying inflammation. Today, I'm thrilled to share a game-changing recipe for a potent anti-inflammatory drink that has been proven in research to significantly reduce inflammation when consumed daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch till the end to get the full guide on preventing inflammation. Hi, welcome back to our channel, where we focus on empowering you with healthy living tips and functional medicine strategies to help reverse chronic conditions. Over the years, through research and treating patients with chronic illnesses, I've discovered that one of the key reasons people struggle to heal is that they fail to address the root cause of their symptoms: inflammation. Many try medications or diet changes, but without targeting and reducing inflammation, progress can be slow or stagnant. Once inflammation is tackled head-on, it's incredible to see how quickly symptoms fade, chronic conditions improve, and overall health is restored. The drink that can transform your health. Today, I'll reveal a simple yet powerful drink with ingredients backed by science to fight inflammation at its core. First, I'll take you through the ingredients and their unique health benefits, and then I'll guide you through how to prepare this life-changing drink. Ingredient 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a flavorful spice, it's a remarkable health tonic with a history of use dating back centuries. Many people are unaware of cinnamon's potent, anti-inflammatory properties, which make it the perfect first ingredient for this drink. Why cinnamon? Cinnamon is rich in two primary compounds: cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde. These compounds are well known for their ability to combat inflammation by neutralizing reactive oxygen species, or free radicals, that cause oxidative stress. Additionally, cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your body from cellular damage. Other benefits include improving insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation caused by insulin resistance, boosting blood circulation. Improved circulation ensures better oxygen and nutrient delivery to vital organs like the liver, which plays a key role in detoxifying the body and reducing inflammation. Choosing the right cinnamon. Not all cinnamon is created equal. For maximum health benefits, opt for Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, which has higher antioxidant content compared to cassia cinnamon. Incorporating this type of cinnamon into your daily routine can significantly enhance your body's ability to fight inflammation. Ingredient 2. Cardamom. This next ingredient might surprise you. Cardamom is a lesser-known spice that has been used in traditional medicine and cooking for centuries, particularly in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines. However, its powerful anti-inflammatory properties are often overlooked. Why cardamom? Cardamom is a treasure trove of antioxidants and flavonoids that combat oxidative stress. Its unique chemical makeup includes compounds such as cineol, which acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Cardamom not only reduces inflammation, but also supports digestion, which is critical for overall health. Additional benefits of cardamom include detoxifying the liver. By enhancing liver function, cardamom helps your body eliminate toxins, a major contributor to inflammation. Cardamom also improves gut health. It aids digestion and reduces bloating, ensuring that your body absorbs nutrients efficiently, which can further reduce inflammatory responses. Cardamom's warm, aromatic flavor makes it a delightful addition to this anti-inflammatory drink while boosting its health-enhancing properties. The combination of Ceylon cinnamon and cardamom creates a powerful base for our inflammation-fighting drink. Both ingredients work synergistically to reduce oxidative stress, regulate blood sugar, and detoxify the liver. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll introduce the next transformative ingredients and guide you through the complete recipe. Now that we've covered the incredible benefits of cinnamon and cardamom in part 1, let's keep the momentum going with the remaining ingredients that make this drink a true anti-inflammatory powerhouse. These next additions not only enhance the flavor, but also take the health benefits to a whole new level. Let's start with turmeric, the golden gem of this recipe. Turmeric has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and it's no surprise why. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents known to science. Imagine something as natural as turmeric being compared to medications like ibuprofen in its effectiveness, without the side effects. Research has shown that curcumin helps reduce inflammation, whether it's in your joints, liver, or even your gut. This is why turmeric earns its spot in this drink. It's like giving your body an anti-inflammatory shield with every sip. But here's the catch. Curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed by the body. That's where the next ingredient comes in. To unlock the full potential of turmeric, we add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that boosts curcumin absorption by over 2,000%. Without black pepper, much of the turmeric you consume might not even make it past your digestive system. It's a small but mighty addition that ensures you're getting the maximum benefit from this drink. Next up is ginger, another ingredient that's been treasured for centuries. Ginger is not only a digestive aid, but also a potent anti-inflammatory. Its active compounds, gingerols and peridols, help reduce oxidative stress and calm inflammation throughout the body. If you've ever felt bloated or sluggish, ginger's ability to support gut health and promote better digestion can make a world of difference. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle nudge in the right direction. Now, let's add a splash of freshness with lemon or lime. These citrus fruits are bursting with vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that fights inflammation and strengthens your immune system. But here's what makes lemon or lime extra special. When combined with the other ingredients in this drink, the vitamin C works synergistically to amplify their effects. It's like supercharging your body's defense system, all while adding a bright, zesty flavor to your cup. Finally, we have the base of the drink, green tea or regular tea. I personally recommend green tea because it's rich in EGCG, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. However, if you're not a fan of green tea, regular tea works just as well. And here's a fun tip. Research has shown that loose tea leaves contain more antioxidants than tea bags. So, if you can get your hands on loose tea, go for it. With all these incredible ingredients in place, we've crafted a drink that's not only delicious, but also a true health tonic. Each ingredient plays a unique role. Turmeric and cinnamon fight inflammation. Black pepper ensures the turmeric is absorbed. Ginger soothes your gut, and lemon or lime gives your immune system a boost. And green tea ties it all together with a rich base that enhances the drink's overall benefits. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to prepare this drink, step by step, and share some tips to ensure you're getting the most out of every sip. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now that you're familiar with the incredible benefits of each ingredient, let's dive into the simple and effective recipe that ties everything together into one powerful cup of anti-inflammatory goodness. Step 1. Start with the base. Begin by boiling 2 cups of water in a pan. This will serve as the base for your drink, helping to extract all the goodness from the ingredients we've talked about. Once the water comes to a gentle boil, switch off the flame. This step ensures the delicate compounds in the ingredients don't get destroyed by excessive heat. Step 2. Add the tea. If you're using loose green tea, add 1 teaspoon directly into the pan. If you prefer tea bags, 1 bag will suffice. Remember, loose tea is preferred for its higher antioxidant content, but tea bags are a convenient alternative. Step 3. Incorporate the spices. Now, let's add the stars of the show. A quarter teaspoon of ground cinnamon for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A quarter teaspoon of ground cardamom to calm your gut and reduce inflammation. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, the golden spice that fights inflammation at its root, and a few black peppercorns to boost the absorption of turmeric. These ingredients will infuse their benefits into the water, creating a flavorful and healing concoction. Step 4. Add ginger. Grate half an inch of fresh ginger or use 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and add it to the pan. Ginger enhances the drink's anti-inflammatory power while adding a subtle warmth and spiciness that complements the other ingredients. Step 5. Let it steep. Allow all the ingredients to steep in the hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. This gives the compounds enough time to release their nutrients and flavors into the drink. Step 6. Strain and finish. Strain the mixture into a cup, removing all the solid ingredients. Now, it's time for the finishing touches. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon or add half a teaspoon of bottled lemon juice for a fresh burst of vitamin C. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding a small amount of raw honey, which is optional. This helps balance the flavors if the drink feels too strong. Step 7. Sip slowly. This drink isn't meant to be gulped down. Instead, sip it slowly over 10 to 15 minutes to allow your gut to absorb the nutrients effectively. Drinking it too quickly might lead to stomach discomfort, so take your time and enjoy every sip. When to drink? The best time to have this drink is either early in the morning or during the late morning hours. This timing ensures that your body gets the maximum benefits of the anti-inflammatory compounds when it needs them most. Within just 1 week of drinking this daily, you should notice a significant reduction in inflammation and improvement in how you feel. Your energy levels may rise, and you'll feel lighter and more vibrant as your body starts to heal from within. Give this recipe a try and share your results in the comment section below. Let us know how this powerful anti-inflammatory drink has worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who can benefit from this natural remedy. This simple, easy-to-make drink is a game changer for reducing inflammation and improving overall health. So grab your ingredients, brew a cup, and take a step toward a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.